Hey YouTube, this video is going to be on the Ryobi, not Ryobi, track saw. Love this thing. Used it a whole bunch of times. It's very versatile, works great. It plunges, it does all the angles, everything. You just, press it down. Right now that the saw is hitting the top of my garbage barrel, but works awesome. Here's the bottom of the track, so you can see the track comes with two pieces. That's it right there, and I have it together. You can separate it right here if you just want a small piece, because you're just going to cut, I don't know, shorter pieces of wood, and you don't want to use a different saw, and you want straight lines. Yes, I know that we can use a square to do the same thing, but like I said, if you have small section to cut, you can do that. If you can also purchase more of those. So if you have a really long thing that you want to rip down, like a 8-foot sheet of plywood or something, you can buy more, or you can just move it as you're going as well. But it works great. It takes a battery right here. I have this whole battery bank and tons more batteries up here, but can use this one or the smaller one. I like to use the larger ones because it gives it more power. 18 volt, 4 amp hour. And yes, I know they have newer batteries now, and I haven't tried them specifically yet, but I'm going to. But I have tons of batteries. This thing's great also, by the way, and I've talked about it in my video, but just fits right on, obviously, and works great. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Obviously, you can hook something here if you want to grab all the sawdust that's coming out. Like if you have a handy dandy Ryobi vacuum, wet dry vac, which I do. But there's a lot of different settings, obviously, that you can do. And if any of you guys want to see all these, that's why I'm showing you. So you can adjust the angles. Another knob down here. And looking at it this way. And it's brushless, and it works great. I was waiting for this for a while. I have another track saw, but it had a cord, so I love that it doesn't have a cord. It's just so much more versatile. That's why I love all these Ryobi tools without the batteries. And I'm going to do videos on all this stuff. I mean, these things are great also. Anyway, I'll do videos on everything else. I'm just trying to do like one a day or so. And yeah, so the track saw, like I said, if you want, I can do another video on me using it. That's simple enough, but I figure everybody has, cut wood and knows what it's like. But like I said, it's lightweight. It again, you can use the smaller battery if you want to keep it light. 18 volt, 2 amp hour. It will work. I've used it. Lasts quite a while as well. I mean, I've never had to swap batteries using it. Now, I'm not making 100 cuts with it, but for any job that I've needed it, I've never needed to switch batteries. So it's pretty durable. I wouldn't, drop it around and stuff. I think pretty much everything is plastic on this thing for the most part. It's kind of rugged, but I wouldn't toss it around. But I love it. It's got a safety feature to get it to plunge down, like most saws anyway. So you can adjust all that stuff. But anyway, that's all I got for this video, guys. I'm sure there's other videos out there with people cutting things or whatever, but I just wanted to give you a heads up of how it is, how I like it. I absolutely love this saw. I mean, I have another skill saw right there, also Ryobi, cordless. Love that as well. But if I need to make precision cuts, or long rips, this is what I'm going to go with, and it's fantastic. So without further ado, if you guys have any questions or comments, you know where to leave them. I get back to everybody as quick as I can. One other thing I wanted to say is not enough of you guys are leaving me the thumbs up. So if you could please do that, if you get any benefit out of this, it just helps YouTube know that people like the video, so they'll send it out to other people. So if you got anything out of this, just please send me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, YouTube.